All right, guys, so what we're going to do right now, we are going to go over the pair GBPCHF real quick, just a quick chart breakdown. I just want to, see what we have here. So I definitely see something major right here. I definitely see something major right here. I see one of my situations that I always talk about. If you don't know what I'm talking about when it comes to situations, I have a great video called Monthly and Weekly Key Levels. That I have on fxpronow.com. You can be able to log into. You can go on to our YouTube, fxpronow on YouTube, and then also we have a Facebook and a Telegram and all this other stuff. If anything, you can be able to gain that information somewhere. So if anything, I'll post it on here as well. Monthly. Let's see if this is true. Oh, to the T. Beautiful. Oh, man. Okay. I'm supposed to do it on the line chart. Let's adjust if we need to. Oh, man. Beautiful. Adjusting. Okay. That's what we got. All right. So let's see something real quick. So I found out that you can actually pull out fibs on the line chart. I was like, interesting. Interesting. So we see 38.2. All right. So this is that one. And let's check out this. And we see candles 61.8. Let's go to the wicks. All right, 61.8, and on the monthly chart, a continuation of the downtrend. Now, let's put on another indicator real quick. Favorites. Let's put on this MACD. Oh, it was there. It was just hiding. So yeah. Okay. So continuation of the downtrend on the monthly chart, but that's just like a one-look chart, and we don't really use that too often. If anything, I'm actually going to really break this down real well, so I can actually have a real play for this pair, because I want to make sure, like, if I do something, I do it well. My mom always taught me, don't half-ass anything. So that stuck with me, and I thank God for that. Don't half-ass anything. So let's do. All right, so this is, oh, and this is perfect. This is 1.20. Yeah, man, like this is clean. So if you don't know what I'm doing right now, I definitely suggest you go on to my YouTube or on my fxpronow.com website and watch the monthly and weekly key levels. Okay, so beautiful. Price is probably going to go to that monthly key level, but in between there's a weekly. So let's see if it's getting close to that weekly level. If anything, it actually probably just broke through it. Let's make this weekly, and let's figure out the price on that one. 0.17639 divided by 2. 0.088195. Now, this is what I call session number 3, which is my complete pair analysis, right? And I actually do this live on on Zoom on Wednesdays at 9 p.m. Eastern Standard Time, and anybody can be able to log in for free. And you can invite whoever you like as well. So 0.088. You can ask me questions as I'm doing it, and it's pretty cool. 1.288915. 88915. Okay, so that's where price is. Correlates with the 38.2. Beautiful. All right, so let's go down weekly. Oh, let's actually draw some trend lines. Okay, boom, boom. I see two beautiful trend lines. Monthly. Literally on that trend line right now. If anything, I'll probably adjust it on the weekly most likely. Bigger line because important line. So the higher time frame. And let's get this one right here. Let's see if there's anything else. And it doesn't look like it. But definitely this is a strong. Probably like that. Okay. So let's go down to the weekly and see what's going on. See how that trend line is moving. The trend line looks pretty solid. I'll probably adjust it slightly. I think price on the weekly time frame is pushing down to this. So my first analysis will be price is most likely heading to this area right here. And how many pips is that? Scroll in, and we see a huge momentum on the MACD. Oh, this is a little bit of pips. This is 86 pips. Oh, this pair don't move like that. That's on the weekly, and it's hardly even move like that. And then we also see a cross of the red line and the blue line, which is beautiful. Okay, that's what we're looking for. But at the same time, we may see a bounce off that trend line and push up. I also see another trend line that we could be able to make. It's not as important. Okay, this is not a good trend line. Most likely be on a lower time frame. All right, and I'm just gonna put this way into the future because most likely price will probably hit that area later on, maybe if it does. Okay, so we got that. I would draw a trend line here, but it's most likely going to be insignificant. All right, so we got that. We got that on the weekly. All right, cool. And we see boom, boom, like prices like keeps on hitting it, pushed up to this trend line on the monthly. All right. If anything, let me adjust that trend line. Put it to the top portion. Right there. So point A up here, point B down there. Okay. Price may bounce off that. It may not. Price broke this. I guess that's a higher low. Let's see. Point A, point B. Yeah, definitely is 50%, and it correlated with the weekly. Beautiful. Right. So that's that. Right. Price broke through this area. Let's see if this is a lower high, which I doubt. I thought that was aiming. That would have sucked. All right. So yeah, continuation. This is what most likely price is about to do. Let's see. Correlates with that 50% nicely. I wouldn't be surprised. Price will probably bounce off of this. Let me put this here. Price will probably bounce off of that and gets 38.2% and then continue or just break through. We'll have to see what price is going to do later on in the future. Right? Let's okay. Price may push down to this. Okay, price may push down to that. Yeah, price may push down to this. Let's see on the weekly time frame. Ooh, check this out. Price correlates perfect. As far as my monthly key level, works out perfectly with my extension as far as the negative 61.8%. So I'm almost sure price is going to push up. And mind you, let me see how many pips this is. I doubt it's a lot. Oh, it is. Okay. To 423 pips. I'm almost sure of this. Okay. I'm gonna keep this on there. Boom. To that. And then from there, push down to this. Boom, boom. This is long-term trades. Long-term trades. Boom. To boom. Boom to boom. Okay. So this extension right here, the reason why it has that is because the 38.2 the price pushed down, and it's really pushing down hard. And when we go into the higher time frame, like on that weekly, you see price push down hard. You see price was pushed down hard here and then pushed up hard here. This, and then boom, drop. Boom, 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 boom. See that? Right there. This right there, it's gonna pull up bullish like that. I wouldn't be surprised, man. Okay, let's go down to the day chart. Okay. So day chart. Let's see how price reacts here. $38.2. This was the last push up. Okay, the last push up was this right here. How many pips is that? Okay. Let's say to 38.2 exactly. So that last push, hopefully, is happening right now for this push. Okay, so that right there. I know there's like a lot of stuff going on. If anything, let me hide this. Okay, so you see that 100 right there? Price may push up to that weekly. It'd be even better. Okay, let's do point A and point B. Price correlates as far as 38.2% correlates with our weekly time frame. I mean, with our weekly key level. Price correlates with our weekly key level, which is pretty beautiful. But again, price may continue down to that trend line. May push down, it may push up a little bit, but then push down to that trend line, and then push up. All right, you see weekly. So may bounce off of that right there, close past it, bounce off of it, and then shoot up. No. I don't know if I see price coming down. I don't know. There. Boom. And then boom. Could do that. Like this. And then continue that uptrend. Or bounce off the weekly and then from there. But no matter what, it's doing what I said. Let's look in the lower time frame to see what's going on. Yeah, I don't know if this is the best time to get in for that. And that's why I personally mark up my charts on what is this called? On TradingView, because you can't really tell what's happening. Which one is this? GBPCHF. Oh, I did a buy stop for that one. Oh yeah, I did a buy stop. I said if price passes that high, that's what I did. Okay. Hold on, where is it? Okay. So now, so then it'll probably push up to that area. Okay. Yeah, so that's what I see as far as long term. But as far as right now, there's nothing to really do with this. But I'm pretty sure price is getting to this area right here. It may, push up, push down, push up, push down, and stuff like that. But that's what we see. Okay. All right. So that's what we have here. Let's see. We want to give you the final perspective. So, final perspective. I am sure price is going to go to this area right here. Let's just say one point. Let me write this down. GBP CHF. So 1.31. So up to 1.31, and then down to that monthly at 1.20. So let's see how many pips up, how many pips down. Pips up 450. And pips down up there, down here, 1100. And if anything, may just continue. If anything, I'm probably like not catching all the pips. But that's what I got for now, and pretty like confident on this one. So greatly appreciate your time. I have way more videos on fxpronow.com. If anything, just log in. Subscribe to our YouTube so that you can be able to get updates on future videos that I will be posting. A whole bunch of chart breakdowns. If anything, I'll be putting up a chart breakdown every day. Also, like this video, comment if you're confused, comment if you like it, comment, tag somebody that you believe that this can would help out, share this video with somebody else. We have a Facebook, right? Go on to facebook.com and just type in fxpronow.com and we'll pop up. You can be able to add into our Facebook so you can get announcements that we'll be doing. Also on Telegram, FX Pro Now. It's all one word, FX Pro Now is where I send out the announcements. And then also there's an FX Pro Now support that you can be able to actually write me questions directly to my phone, like you're sending me a text message. All right. So greatly appreciate your time, guys. And, let's become an FX Pro now. Let's get it.